welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be heading over to the Tour Custom Cycle shop. We're finally going to be ordering brakes for the bike. So I want to go over there, talk to Mike, and see what's available. Let's get on the bike and let's talk about what we're looking at, when we're doing it, and the process behind everything else. But just before that, just to know, I want you guys to take a nice look at the wheel color, right? So these are the bronze wheels that the Lowrider S and Lowrider ST come with. Well, used to come with, because now they come with matte black wheels. But as you can see right here, see his deep color right here with that beautiful flake in it. I want to do the wheels in that color, and it's gonna look awesome. All right, so we've been talking about doing brakes on this bike for some time right now, right? And it's time. I'm gonna be taking my trip out to Milwaukee in July, so we're 2 months out, and I really want the bike to be dialed in before we head out there. Like, pretty much done with everything. So one of the reasons why we've taken so long to do this is because I really didn't know which brakes to go with. I mean, from the beginning, I knew what I wanted, but then I just wanted, I thought about doing something different, and yeah, we're back to square one. So from the start, I wanted to do black Lindell brakes on this bike. They look awesome, they look great. And then I started looking at Golfers, then I started looking at some other brands, and I'm like, you know what, no. Let me just go with what I originally wanted. And especially now that we have decided to powder coat the wheels, I think it's gonna pop so much. That black color is gonna look sick on there. Now, the black is not gonna last forever because it tends to fade away as you're braking, right? But for the most part, most of it will stay black. It's gonna look sick. It's gonna look really, really cool. I was either just gonna do the black and leave the stock wheels as they are, but I kind of want to make this bike pop out a little more. So I think adding that color to the wheel and then having the black Lindell brakes, it's gonna look awesome, man. It's gonna look so good. I think it's gonna be the cherry on top, the icing on top of the cake. We put in the 131 on this bike. Bike feels great. We've changed out the suspension. Bike feels great now. And lastly, what's needed for a performance build? Brakes. A lot of people do all this engine work at times, and you know, they forget about brakes. And yeah, I just didn't want any kind of brake style. I wanted something really nice, and I feel like Lindell has probably one of the nicest designs out there when it comes to rotors. It's just really nice, really cool, top quality stuff. Now, what design are we gonna go with? I'm not sure yet. That's why we're gonna head over to the Tour Custom Cycle shop. We'll go on the website, and we'll have Mike show us exactly what we can kind of put together. Cool thing about the Lindell brakes is that you kind of like mix and match a lot of stuff, so you don't always have to have the same exact design. So I know we gotta order the rotors, so we need to order pads, and then the blacked out kit, the bolt kit that it comes with as well. We're gonna do that. One thing I also want to do, I'm probably not going to do it now. I'll order them later on. I mean, it would have been awesome to do everything at once, but it's going to be a lot of money to do all that. I wanted to do brake calipers. I just don't know which calipers to go with. I wanted to do Brembos because Brembos are awesome, right? Those calipers are great. But I also kind of wanted to do something different. Mike is actually building a really sick build right now from the ground up, and I offered my opinion to him for him to pick out his calipers, and I think we might do those on this bike. I'll show you when we get to the shop. So audio check, can we get an audio check? Can you guys let me know how the audio is doing, because we should be back to normal. So this is Mike's bike right here. These are the Behringers that he has on his setup. Crazy ass bike, crazy ass build that he's doing at the moment. Looks insane. This is the rear, how everything looks. Just really nice. don't know. Maybe we might go with a Behringer setup. Like I said, maybe the Krause calipers. Or there's also Brembo, but I'm leaning towards something like this, something different.
You gotta pick your style. So you gotta pick the bow tie, the crown, the smooth, the B52. And it's really up to you. I don't know, which ones were you looking towards?
I mean, originally I was gonna do that, but I kind of want to do something more nicer.
The B52s are nice. I haven't really seen these on anybody's bike yet. And then you got the bow tie. You can see is a little bit different in style. Center part's the same, but the bow tie is different. Maybe you might be able to see it better if I blow it up. I like the B52 inner. Then you got so you got 7-spoke, 9-spoke, 11-spoke, 13.
Let me see the 7-spoke.
Everybody's been doing the tracker. I'm not crazy about the V-Star.
No, I mean, I like the 7-spoke looks clean.
How can I help you? Hey Blaze, how you doing? It's Mike at Torque Custom Cycles.
What's going on, bud?
Not much. I am here with a customer. We're looking at, I wanted to see what the availability is on the 7-spoke bow tie, black, and don't forget we need the pads, obviously.
Oh no, you don't get those. That's hopes and dreams that you stop on, right?
No, all right. Well, and black hardware.
Jeez, dude. Yeah, I got you. Let me figure out what I have going on here. Just hang tight for me, all right?
Okay. Okay, can you put a quote together with all of that and stuff on there? With my.
Already done.
Oh, cool.
All right, so we pretty much got what I want here. What I want to look at next is the price of the calipers. I'm gonna do the calipers right away because I'm gonna spend all that money.
Okay.
You trying to take all my hard-earned cash, man. But I want to see pricing though.
No, because
Gesundheit.
yeah, he wanted you to look at that wide glide next.
Wide glide, road glide, street glide, road glide.
I think it's wide.
All the glides.
So throw that one on your list.
Super glide.
Go through.
Look at this. I was actually looking for a clear cover for my primary, and yeah, they misordered this for a different bike, so I might just be taking this for mine. Anyways, we got the email back from Krause right now, so we got the pricing, we got everything, so we're ordering the rotors, the pads, and the bulk kits as well. Again, this should be here within the next 2 to 3 weeks. And then we'll do an install video for you guys as well, so you guys can see how all that gets put on. Yeah, man, I'm just trying to get this bike really dialed in before Milwaukee. I want it to look nice, feel perfect, and yeah, I think this will kind of be the icing or the cherry on top of the cake.
Is Lee from Amsoil? Mm-hmm. He said today's the last day.
We got to go through it and see what we need.
Ugh.